Hello, this is Jennifer from Roll-A-Ramp. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to measure the side door of a minivan to see if a manual folding ramp will fit and if it will be compatible. The van we are using today, for example, is a 2001 Oldsmobile Silhouette. While different vans may have different specs, the method for determining compatibility is the same. The first step is to measure the width and the height of the opening of the sliding door on the passenger side. A non-power 26-inch wide ramp requires 28 inches of clear width, and a powered ramp requires 29 inches of clear width. Make sure to measure straight across at the narrowest points of the opening, taking into account barriers such as this grab handle. If the tape measure is held in the wrong spot, you may get an inaccurate reading. For the height, be sure to hold the tape measure straight up and down from the floor to the lowest point of the door frame. The 6-foot-long non-powered folding ramp requires 40 inches of vertical clearance, and the powered ramp requires 43 inches of vertical clearance. In some vehicles, the sliding door on the driver's side is going to be narrower than this sliding door on the passenger side. A ramp on the driver's side will obstruct adjustment of the driver's seat and can impede visibility for the driver. Also, rear installation is not feasible in standard minivans due to the curvature of the door and bumper height, as the ramp will come into contact with the bumper. It is also important to have a flat floor of the van where you want to install the ramp. Some vans have a sloped floor, such as the Honda Odyssey. In that case, those vans will not be compatible. For mid and full-size vans, we also offer 30-inch and 36-inch wide options for non-powered bifold ramps. These vans typically can accommodate side or rear installation. 30-inch wide ramps require a 32-inch door opening. 36-inch wide ramps require a 38-inch door opening. Because larger vans also have taller doors, they can accommodate longer ramps. A 7-foot-long ramp requires 46 inches of door height. An 8-foot-long ramp requires 52 inches of door height. And a 9-foot-long non-powered bifold ramp requires a 58-inch usable door height. The powered folding ramp is also available in a 30-inch wide, 7-foot-long size. This ramp requires 33 inches of width and 48 inches of height. It is important to always confirm measurements and compatibility prior to purchasing a van ramp.
Roll-A-Ramp, where strength and flexibility meet.